How to change font size on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to change the text size on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open up your app, now scroll down. You'll be provided with multiple options over here. Just click on the text size. Drag the slider to the left side to make your text size smaller. If you want the text size bigger, then drag it to the right side of your screen. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna increase or decrease the text size on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Zangi app, then make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.